Here's how you can build a custom Lego Doc Ock without using any Doc Ock pieces. For the hair, just use standard black hair that can be found anywhere. For the torso, find a black jacket. I chose the one from Homecoming, but you can choose a different one. For the pants, I just chose black pants. For the head, I took the face of a stormtrooper. Now it's time to build the arms. For the holder for the arms, I took the holder for the claws for an outrider. Attach a dark gray Lego claw piece and put a light gray Lego hinge claw piece under it. Repeat this one more time. Now add one more dark gray claw hinge piece and take a peg in a Lego Technic brick with two light gray 1x2s with one stud on top. For the hand, take a ball socket and three light gray 1x2s claw holders. Put a red stud in the middle and put it on. Repeat this 3 more times. Now you're done with the arms. Put the arms on Doc Ock's body and you're ready to go. And this is the final image. The arms are pretty movable and can be posed really well. Subscribe for more content like this.